Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Aren't you tired of saying bye and bye again? Let's see some alternatives to the word bye. But before going further, make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button. First one on our list is it was nice to see you or it was nice to meet you. Instead of saying goodbye, you can use this sentence and say it was good to see you or it was nice to see you. The next one is I must be going. Imagine that you are in a party and you want to say bye because you're getting late. So instead of bye, you say now I must be going. Means I should leave now. This is the second alternative to use instead of bye. The third one is catch you later. This is a little informal which you can use amongst your friend or your family member. That is catch you later. Instead of bye, say I'll catch you later. The next one is I got to hit the road. The meaning of this word is you are hitting the road means you are leaving. So this is an amazing way to say I want to leave and bye for now. You can say I got to hit the road. I got to hit the road. Imagine that you are in a formal environment or an office or you are meeting with a client and you want to say bye. Are you going to say catch you later or bye for now? No, right? Instead of that, you can say I look forward to our next meet. I look forward to our next meet. It sounds amazing and pretty sophisticated. So you are going to use this sentence instead of bye. Like, I look forward to our next meet. I look forward to our next meet. The next one is very common that you must have heard in your day-to-day life. That is, have a good day. Like wishing someone that they have a good day is a great way to say bye. The next is which you must have not heard, that is smell you later. It is pretty much the same like see you later. Instead of that, you can say smell you later. I am off and peace out are also a good alternative to use instead of bye. Comment down below which way you are going to use goodbye. Bye for now, see you next turn. Or should I say peace out for now, see you next turn.